Hey there, amazing parents. Today we are diving into a topic that brings smiles, joy, and lasting memories celebrating our children's birthdays. But have you ever wondered why these celebrations mean so much to us and our little ones? Let's explore the magic behind those birthday candles. Birthdays are more than just a day on the calendar. They are a celebration of life itself. From the time we are young, birthdays are moments filled with love, excitement, and the feeling of being truly special. What makes them so powerful? What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you think of your child's birthday? Would it be party, celebration, food, cake, candles, or gifts? Let's dive into 5 important aspects of your child's birthday. Firstly, celebrating birthdays boosts your child's self-esteem. When we gather around to celebrate them, children feel loved, valued, and important. It's like saying, "Hey, you matter, and we're so glad you are here." That sense of belonging is crucial for their emotional well-being. Birthdays also strengthen family bonds and traditions. Whether it's a big party or a simple family gathering, these moments create memories that last a lifetime. Think about the joy of blowing out candles with everyone cheering. These are the memories that make childhood magical. But let's not forget about the social aspect. Birthday parties help children form and strengthen relationships. Inviting friends and family over gives children a chance to connect, build friendships, and learn the value of community. Another amazing thing about birthdays is how they help kids understand the concept of time and growth. Every year, they see how much they have grown physically and emotionally. It's a moment to reflect on their journey and look forward to the adventures ahead. But here's the heart of it all. Birthdays are about celebrating life. They remind us to pause, reflect, and appreciate the beauty of being alive. It's a chance to celebrate our children's unique contribution to the world and to express our love and gratitude for their presence in our lives. When we celebrate the birthdays of our children, we are expressing our love and appreciation for them. It gives an occasion to say things that need to be said, that need to be heard. On this day, from the bottom of our hearts, we thank God that you exist. And though we still must go about our way, today is not just any day. The world would not be and could not be the same without you. You're precious and you are the one of us. We love you and we wish you every truly good thing today and forever. Happy birthday, child. They may not remember the color of the cake or the decor, but they will remember how you made them feel. So whether you throw a big bash or keep it simple with a homemade cake, remember the most important thing is to celebrate in a way that's meaningful for you and your child. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about the party. It's about the love, connection, and joy that birthdays bring into our lives. So thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips on making every moment with your child special. And as always, keep celebrating life one birthday at a time.